Hi everyone, it's Tim from Karaoke Home Entertainment, and in April 2024 Michelle and myself visited the ACNOS KBEATBOX Factory in Vietnam. It was really great to meet the entire team, whom I've been dealing with now for over 8 years. Everyone was so friendly and inviting as they showcased their amazing products they produce throughout the factory. High quality finishes on all products, with the compact units getting the vinyl wrap treatment and the big timber box units getting that beautiful high gloss spray painted finish. This was amazing to see, 2 massive computer controlled timber cutting tools bringing to life the KBEATBOX system, which seamlessly come together from skilled craftsmen. Before they are sprayed, the timber boxes are carefully checked, sanded and any connection points filled so the boxes are seamless. The final stage of the process is where it all comes together, with the installation of high quality amplifiers, the mixer with the wireless microphones and of course the speakers by ACNOS technicians, and everything is quality tested before being boxed up and shipped out to KHE in Australia.
I've noticed that.
High-net model, the Android, they are checking the remote control upon. Just a little change.
Yeah.
So they
get better.
Pay attention to each model.
We stopped for some photos with the factory managers. It was really nice to meet everyone. It was 38 degrees this day we visited, but the show rolls on as normal. Then we stopped by the shipping warehouse with all the stock that had been produced in the last couple of days, ready to ship out to their dealers in Vietnam. We even stopped by the KBEATBOX studios where we listened to 2 brand new models just off the production line, and yes, they are coming to Australia. I was so impressed with these new models. What a big jump in features and sound quality, truly amazing. So then Michelle said, why not do a video for the new model? Okay, so we decided to do a joint Vietnamese and English promo for this new model, which was a lot of fun. I had to learn on the fly, but that's okay. It was an amazing experience to see them produce the various models in the factory, and you can see the time and effort that goes into producing each model. The quality of the finished product is first class, and it's not hard to see why they are Vietnam's and Australia's #1 karaoke brand by a country mile.